Hi everyone, this is Sushmita and today I'm going to share an amazing DIY of making rice hair conditioner at home. This rice conditioner works great for frizzy and dry hair, making them smooth and well nourished. But before we begin, please follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on hair care. The first ingredient that I'm using is rice. Obviously, rice when fermented in water over a few hours develops special cell renewal properties that fortify the hair. So we will soak 3 to 4 tablespoons of organic unpolished rice in enough water overnight or for 10 to 12 hours at least. The rice has been soaking for over 12 hours now and the water has turned muddy, as you can probably see. Now I will grind the soaked rice along with all the fermented water to make rice milk. The rice has been ground super fine. Now let's sieve it to get rid of the residue. Our rice milk is ready. Fermented rice water contains a very special yeast called pitera. Pitera yeast revitalizes the hair, reverses damages done by color and heat treatments, and it also helps with deep conditioning the hair. If your hair is frizzy, dry and breaks very easily, then the next ingredient will blow your mind. Yes, coconut milk cream is loaded with vitamin E and omega fatty acids. It deeply penetrates into the hair structure and nourishes it from within, thus adding great shine and strength to weak and dry hair. I also like to add aloe vera gel to this rice hair conditioner. Aloe vera controls split ends, dandruff and tangles. All the ingredients that I'm showing here can be purchased from local grocery stores. However, I'm going to link them down anyway in the description box. To make our rice conditioner super strengthening and extra nourishing for hair, I'm adding a few vitamin E capsules as well. Vitamin E not just nourish the hair but also makes a protective layer on the hair. Give this all a very good mix. Now to make the hair conditioner thick and fluffy, let's refrigerate it for 3 to 4 hours. I kept my rice conditioner in the fridge for 3 hours and it has turned so thick and creamy. Isn't it the perfect consistency for any hair conditioner? You can totally use this deep conditioning mask every week or maybe once in 10 days. Just dampen the hair slightly and apply this rice conditioner generously on the lens. Since this is 100% natural and homemade, just go ahead and apply on the scalp as well without any worries. I usually advise against using any hair mask or conditioner on the scalp, but this one is totally natural. In fact, this is going to help with common hair concerns such as dandruff or itchy scalp, etc. Leave it in the hair for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour depending on how much time you have. I usually leave it for a couple of hours and continue doing my regular household chores, and after that simply rinse it with plain water. On the days I have deep conditioned my hair, I try and avoid shampooing the same day because this is how you can make the moisture remain in the hair for longer time. So my angels, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do try this hair conditioner out and let me know how did it work for you, and please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.